I'm going to show you how to set up a custom workspace in Canva. Where actually the thing that I'm making is a custom slider for logos in a WordPress site. So we need to make sure I have specific dimensions that those have to be, and it's a bunch of logos. Each logo has to be on its own page to these specific dimensions. So this is a free. I'm using a free account with what's called Canva. It's at canva.com. And when you first set up your account, you'll need the free version. You will come to this page, and in the upper right corner, you'll see Use Custom Dimensions right up here. And we're just going to choose that. And these are the dimensions because I've been working with this before. It's 300 by 194 pixels. And yes, we don't want millimeters, we don't want inches, we want pixels. We're working in web design for a website. So we select Design, and it will make our page. This is our palette for us. Now the first thing we need to go over, I want to make sure this is a white background. That's what this slider, everything's going to be a white background. Now if I choose a color, you'll see it's changing the color. And I'm just showing you this because when you do the white, it looks like when we first came in, but I know that it's white. Well, the next thing is we need to bring in our image that we're going to put into this image slider. And we're going to come over here again to the left to Uploads. It'll bring you, and you can click on this green button, which is Upload Your Own Image. And I'm going to choose an image. And it's going to upload it. And these are other images that I put in here. They'd be stored here. And when it finishes uploading, which it has, it's just drag and drop. We're just going to pull this right over here. I'm going to drop it on here. I want to show you, see, we've got these hairlines. Now we have a crosshair, and now we don't. This gives you your true center horizontally and vertically. So if I pull it off, I'm just not quite there. So that's important. So we need to resize this to fill the space. This is okay. I usually like the logos to be a little bit bigger because you usually don't want to enlarge things, but we're going to have to go with it. It's the best logo we have. All you do is grab a corner. It will pull it proportionately. We want to just make it meet the edge. Now, we're not going to have the crosshairs on this one. We're going to have to eye this one. And that's about center. Okay, now we're going to go up to the top here. This is all set. This is going to be one of the images. I'm going to go up to the download button, click download, and we do want to choose ping. We're not making PDF, we're not going for print. And this isn't a photograph. If it was a photo, we would choose JPEG. We want to keep the quality. We're going to go with a PNG. And we're going to click download. And it's going to download to your, we can open it to take a look at it. And there it is. Looks pretty good and clean. That's the right sizes. And you would have saved it to your desktop or to a folder. So that's where you go. So if you had several logos to add to the slider, you would just upload your next one, put it in here. You can click on this one if you want to do a couple at the same time. Click on this. Just hit your delete key and it goes away. So then you can bring over your next one, which actually fits in there pretty good. Just want to make sure it's centered. It brought it in centered. Usually does. So, and I would just go up and download. Choose ping. Boom. And I'm just going to save it to, it's already set up to go to the folder, and boom. There you go. And you can just, click out of this, and when you're done with it, it's pretty easy, drag and drop. So there you go, how to size custom sizes within the program Canva.